Today, we're diving into the features of the Medify MA-25 Air Purifier, a powerful solution for maintaining clean air in spaces up to 825 square feet in just 1 hour. This tabletop purifier is perfect for homes, offices, and classrooms, utilizing True HEPA H13 filtration to remove 99.9% of particles, including allergens, smoke, and pet dander, down to an impressive 0.1 microns. With 3 fan speeds, this unit operates ultra-quietly, ranging from a whisper-quiet 19.8 decibels to a maximum of 49.3 decibels, and its sleep mode dims the panel lights for a peaceful environment. The user-friendly touch panel offers a range of features, including a timer, fan speed control, sleep mode, filter replacement indicator, and a child lock, making it ideal for families with kids and pets. Dual filters ensure efficient air cleaning, and the unit is backed by a USA-registered lifetime warranty, with the replacement filter lasting up to 2,500 hours. Plus, it's CARB, ETL, and ENERGY STAR certified, ensuring quality and energy efficiency. Experience the difference with the Medify MA-25 Air Purifier and breathe easier knowing your air is clean and fresh. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.